welcome to my channel. My name's Virginia. Today I'm going to be filming my everyday skincare routine as well as my nighttime skincare routine. I'm going to be listing all the products down below in case you guys are interested. Keep on watching, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna get right into it. So my skin type is oily combination. Basically it means I have a lot of dryness on my outer areas and then a lot of oiliness on my T-zone, which is my nose and my forehead. So with that being said, combination skin types are a little bit more difficult to deal with than if you were just dry or oily. I'm going to show you guys what I've been using to kind of maintain my skin. Also, disclaimer, I do work at Sephora, so a lot of these products I actually got in gratis. If you guys don't know what gratis is, it's just free products that employees from Sephora get from different brands. It's basically just a way for us to try these products and have more of an understanding of them so then we can actually recommend them to other people. I'm honestly so grateful though, because the things that I have or they've given me I really do like and they've worked wonders on my skin, so I'm gonna show you guys that. This is the first product that I use. Is this Kiehl's Skin Hydrator. It's a 24-hour moisturizer that helps provide antioxidant protection, improves skin's natural glow over time, and leaves skin with an effortlessly radiant glow. It says it gives an immediate subtle glow while helping to boost skin radiance over time. With this facial moisturizer, helps defend skin from free radicals, leaving it with a soft, subtle shimmer. So I heard this stuff works really well with your primer, or like before you apply your foundation. It just gives you more of a luminous, dewy look. And it also does feel a little bit more hydrating as well. So I really do like this, especially because I've always had really dull pale skin, and this has given me a little bit more of a glow. I just don't look super pale. Yeah, it makes me look alive, you know? So with this product, I just like to use it on the back of my hand. I do like one pump and be going in, and I like to like slowly start building it into my skin. It does have a weird smell, I'm not gonna lie. I guess it's a pomegranate. It smells like fruity. So after that, I actually go in with my real moisturizer. This is the, is that how you say, Corres Pomegranate Grenade. It's a lightweight moisturizer for oily to combo skin. I actually got recommended this one by one of my coworkers that's like a skincare advisor. This one is a balancing cream gel moisturizer. It's lightweight. It has properties to reduce the look of pores while leaving skin soft, hydrated, and balanced. It's good for dryness, pores, and oiliness. Okay, so this product, all I do is I open it, and I don't like to take a lot. And since I have nails, I like to use the back to scoop it up. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. I just go like this and scoop it. So with this moisturizer, I like to put on both sides. So yeah, I'm just gonna like be putting it on. And I also like going on the bottom of my neck right here and going upward. It's really important to do the same thing as you're doing to your face, to your neck. A lot of people overlook that step. Before, I was just putting lotion on my skin. Like who was I? Who was I? Like, and I like the smell. It doesn't feel super heavy on your skin. Like, I never really took skincare seriously, and I feel like if you are doing heavy makeup like me, you do need to take care of your skin, because makeup can be fun, but it can be damaging as well, especially if you're not removing your makeup properly, if you're not keeping up with your skincare. Yeah, this has really helped me. So I really do like this moisturizer. So after moisturizer, I go in with my Tango eye cream. This is by the brand Drunk Elephant. This is what it looks like. The top is really cute. You just twist it, and then here's the pump. A little bit more pricey. This one's $64. I got this for gratis, and I'm like so thankful. I could not afford that, to be honest. I'll be like, no. But I feel like it does help me a lot. I've always struggled with like these creases under my eyes, and I feel like these have helped it kind of reduce it a little bit. Obviously it's not going to completely eliminate, but it does give it more of a smooth appearance, especially when I'm wearing my concealer. It makes it go on so much smoother. It's good for all skin types, It's brightening, has 8 peptides, 5 forms of vitamin C, and cucumber extract. It makes firmer, stronger looking skin around the eye area. It's good for loss of firmness and fine lines and wrinkles. You really don't need a lot, you just need a small pump of it. That should be enough for like both of your eyes, to be honest. And I use my finger and I like to just tap it on like right underneath. Can't really do it with these nails, but oh well. I gotta make sure I don't poke my eye out. The other eye. You want to tap it on. You never want to rub anything under your eyes because it's just gonna create more lines. So being in your 20s, you might not think you need that because you're like, no, I don't have wrinkles, blah blah blah, but like it's really good to invest in an eye cream when you're young to prevent you from like wrinkling at an early age. If you have sensitive skin, I would definitely recommend this because it's free of gluten, fragrance, oils, silicone irritants, and it's also vegan and cruelty free. So after I put on my eye cream, I am ready for my sunscreen. I just recently included this into my skincare routine. I was not wearing a sunscreen. This is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. Lightweight, clean feel, and this one's for the face. It's fast absorbing and water resistant. This is obviously not sold at Sephora. This is like from any drugstore. Get powerful sunscreen protection without the heavy finish. It absorbs excess sunscreen oils for a clean, ultralight feel and shine-free finish. And I like to just like pat into my skin. So after my sunscreen is when I would apply my primer and my makeup if I was doing my makeup that day. But that's pretty much it for my daytime routine. That's pretty much all I use. So now I'm going to be going in with my nighttime routine. I do have a little bit more steps, obviously. So the first product I'm going to be showing is this one. When I do my makeup, this is what I use to remove it. I used to use makeup wipes. I would realize that they would just dry out my skin, and then I wasn't using a good enough moisturizer. I was just putting like some lotion on, and it was just doing my skin dirty. I would say though, I would use this everywhere else except your eyes, because one time like I used it on my eyes, and then when I washed my face, my eyes were really irritated. My vision was really cloudy. I don't know what was going on, but I would not recommend it around your eyes. I just use it to remove my face makeup, to make sure everything's clean before I go in like with my other products. This one, it just says it's good for cleansing and makeup removal. It's good for dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles. It's a 3-in-1 cleanser, makeup remover, anti-aging serum. Yeah, it's good if you have more sensitive skin. It removes all traces of eye makeup and impurities without drying or irritation. So eye makeup, I would not recommend. They lie. So what I use for my eye makeup is actually this. This is the Lancome Bifacial Makeup Remover. It's in a blue liquid like this. As you can see, I'm almost out because when I do really dramatic makeup, like lashes, eyeliner, eyeshadow, this is what I use that does not irritate my skin. Is get like a cotton round or like a tissue. I apply some and I like to just like set it on my eyes first. I don't want to just like start scrubbing, especially if I have lashes on. It helps to kind of melt away the glue, so then it's really easy to just take off your lashes. It's really good for anything that's like waterproof, like eyeliner, mascara. It's a gentle liquid eye makeup remover. Activates when shaken to gently whisk away even waterproof eye makeup while conditioning and refreshing skin. Good for sensitive skin and contact lenses. It leaves eyes feeling cool and relaxed without an oily residue. So that's the one I would recommend if you do wear heavy makeup, especially heavy eye makeup. So now that I have my makeup removed, I'm going to be going in with my exfoliator. The exfoliator that I use is the Sugar Face Polish by the brand Fresh. It's a natural exfoliant with real strawberry seeds for fines and nourishes. You want to be doing this at least 2 to 3 times a week because you want to remove those dead skin cells, especially on areas you feel the most dryness. It says it's good for all skin types. It's an all-in-one exfoliator, nourishing mask. It's made with pure brown sugar, real strawberries, and it creates the appearance of a softer, smoother, more radiant complexion. It's good for dullness, uneven texture, and dryness. So as you guys can see, I actually broke it because I'm just clumsy like that and it broke. But this is what it looks like. I've been using this for a couple months now and I still have a lot left, and I use like one of those I don't know what they're calling, like those pads to scrub off, and I like to use this every other day. I don't want to use it every single day because you're gonna end up over exfoliating, which is a thing that I didn't know was a thing. I feel like that one's helped a lot with texture. I used to get a lot of texture, especially when I would put a liquid foundation. I was noticing it was like cracking and it was really flaky. It was just a mess. Speaking about exfoliating, I also use a lip exfoliator and a lip balm. This is also from the brand Fresh. But before I apply this one, I use the Bite Beauty. This is a lip scrub. After, this has a caramel scent. They do have a new one that smells like coconut, so if you like coconuts you should get it. So after I exfoliate my skin, or if I don't exfoliate my skin, the next step is this one. This one's the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. It looks pretty cool, this bottle. It's really pretty. And this is the applicator. What I like to do is I like to just dot it on here, and on my forehead, and then just using my hands I like to just like put it all over. It's good for all skin types. It's a nighttime oil that hydrates and visibly restores skin. It's good for dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. So I don't use this every single day. I use it like every once in a while, especially if I feel like my skin really needs it. But I will say, like, you can see the results almost immediately. If you go to sleep with it on and you wake up, you can just feel your skin being a lot more smoother, softer. And the cool thing about using things overnight is, like, when you're sleeping, that's when your cells are working. They're resurfacing, if that makes sense. So you want to use like your heavy oils, serums, moisturizers at night when you're sleeping, because that's when your skin's going to give you the best result. So after I put this one, I'm going to be going in with another moisturizer. This one's by Kiehl's. This is the Ultra Facial Cream. The reason I use this one at night is because it's a lot more heavier than my pomegranate one. That one's very lightweight. This one's like for intense hydration. So this is a 24-hour moisturizer. Replenish the skin throughout the day for smooth, healthy looking skin, and it's good for dryness. I like to leave this on, like, especially on my chin and like the bottom of my nose right here where I got a lot of texture. I just put a lot more there. It leaves skin smooth, softer, and healthy looking. So it leaves it it says right here, it leaves your skin comfortable, visibly well balanced, especially in harsh weather conditions. So then after my moisturizer, I'm gonna go in with another eye cream. This one's the Banana Bright Eye Cream by Henrikson. This is like a little small jar that I got. So the reason I have two eye creams is because that one's good for dryness and wrinkles, fine lines. And this one's especially for dark circles, and it's also good to depuff your eyes. But this one has helped me a lot, especially in the mornings when I wake up. My eyes are really puffy and like red, and you know, this one just helps smooth it out and soothe it. This one's good for all skin types. It's a brightening vitamin C rich eye cream. It targets signs of aging, reducing the look of dark circles, and improves concealer application and wear, inspired by makeup artist Secret Banana Powder. It helps revive and illuminate the entire eye area over time. So that's actually my last step when I do my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys like it. I know a lot of the stuff is pretty high-end brands and like stuff you can get at Sephora, just because I work there and I feel like I never really had a good skincare routine before and I wasn't seeing any improvements. What I would do is I would just go to like any drugstore. I would see a product that I kind of liked, I would try it out for a little bit, and then I would just like not keep up with it. I was very inconsistent. I would really recommend doing your research. Even if you go to like Sephora and you talk to the skincare advisors, a lot of them do know what they're talking about. Like, they're there to help you. Don't ever feel scared to just be like, hey, this is my skin problems, this is what I want to solve. They're always there to help you. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've been wanting to film a video for my skincare routine, but I was always just like, they don't really care, but you know what, I'm still gonna be filming either way. So if you are interested, or if you have like some of the same skin concerns as me, I hope this has helped you. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video.